Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today's recipe contains a very healthy and a magic ingredient, and your kids will just love it. Today we are making chocolate peanut butter bars. A simple recipe with readily available ingredients. So let's see how to make this. Before we start the recipe, click the red subscribe button if you have not subscribed to Grey Pot, and click the bell icon to get all the notifications and updates from our channel, which is completely free. The first ingredient of this recipe is some biscuits. Here I have taken orange arrowroot biscuits, but you can also use digestive biscuits. Just crush these biscuits in a blender. Now into some peanut butter, add in some hot melted butter, which will make the peanut butter a bit more liquidy. Now take a large bowl, add in the crushed biscuits, the rest of the melted butter, and the peanut butter. And I don't want to waste any drop of this peanut butter, so just scrape out the entire peanut butter and start mixing it. And after mixing it, when you hold it, it should come together. So if you want, you can add more peanut butter or melted butter. Now take any pan where you're gonna set this peanut butter bars. Place a butter paper inside the bowl. Now add in this biscuit powder to make a base. Using a spatula, press it very firmly and keep it refrigerated. Now meanwhile, melt some chocolate with 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Now once the chocolate is melted, take out the biscuit base and pour the melted chocolate on top of it. Now spread this melted chocolate evenly on top of the biscuit base. Now you can leave it just like this, but to give a more beautiful design, I added some melted peanut butter on top of it. Now by using a butter knife or a small spoon, you can make this beautiful marble designs. This is the most interesting part in this recipe. Now once you're satisfied with the design, you can leave this on your countertop for a couple of hours until it is set. Or you can keep it refrigerated to make this process really fast. Now once it is set, take it out from the bowl and cut it into your desired shapes. And there you go, our super easy chocolate peanut butter bars are ready. So definitely try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Hit the like button if you like this recipe. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to get subscribed. Watch more unique recipes from our channel Grey Pot. Do check it out. Thank you.